Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a project called EGOLD, world's first mining ecosystem built on a Metaverse. Yeah, and as the name tells you, it's a mining project. Okay, so there are 4 different types of miners: the G1, G2, G3, G4. Yeah, and as you can see, the hash rates are different. It's like 20, 100, 500, and 2500. And if you're wondering what's the price of such a miner, actually the hash rate shows you also the price. So for example, if you want to get this one, you would have to pay around or 100 US dollars. Okay. Now maybe you're wondering how much money can you make with such a miner. Yeah. First of all, let me just show you a short introduction that you understand some things. There's the hash power. The hash power means how strong is the miner, so to say, how big is the output, how much will you get as a reward. The metafuel is mining fee. Miners must pay in order to claim their gold, their EGOLD. Okay, you can buy EGOLD or sell EGOLD on PancakeSwap. Okay, then each miner can make up to 10 claims. Okay, after this, the miner will be deactivated. Then depreciation is the reduction of EGOLD production users need to bear every time they claim EGOLD. Then we have the warehouse tax. Warehouse tax is fee charged to miners for hosting their gold miner machines in the Metaverse. So now we go to the interesting part: how much money can you make? As you can see here again, you see here the miners. The price of this one, $20. The G2. The price of this one is $100, and as I've told you, actually the hash rate also shows you the price. Yeah, G3 price $500, discount 4%, maximum claims 10, and that's how the miners are priced. G4, of course, we know from from the homepage, 2,500 hash rate. That means the price will be, guys, what do you think? $2,500. Okay, so let me just show you how much money you can make. For example, you go here to mining calculator, yeah, and I've chosen here, for example, you see G2 miner. I have 1 miner, just for the calculation, yeah. Then you just put in how many days you use it and how many times you will claim. So let's say 10 G2 miner, 10 days, and then we want to claim. Okay, then you go to calculate, and you will see after 10 days, you invest in, the G2 miner costs $100. You will have, after 10 days, an EGOLD value of about 35.78 US dollars. So that's not too bad. I mean, if you, for example, take a stronger miner like the G3, then after 10 days, you would have 178.90 US dollars. But of course, it's more expensive. So depends on how much you invest. The more you invest, the more you can earn. But as always, guys, always do your own research before you invest in any of those projects. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you the opportunities and possibilities. So guys, that's this project. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.